We provide a washing machine that is free to use in the property. If you wish to use the machine, to use this, just open the door by pushing here on the lever. This will open up the machine, load in your clothes, and then we also provide washing machine tablets which are located just to the right underneath the sink. So take one of these and throw it in with your washing. You then need to shut the door firmly and then select the right cycle, and there's a range here. So by turning on the machine, say for example if we want to do cottons, we just turn this dial so that this little red dot turns round to cottons. This will activate the machine, and then if you wish to change the temperature, just push on here temperature selection, and that will change to whatever temperature you wish to use. You then have the spin speed, which you can set at 1400, or change it by pushing this button to whatever speed you wish to select. To start the machine, just push start and then it will start the cycle. This flashing light here will indicate the time it takes. Thank you.